Hello? In the sandbox, I built a bomber plane. Using this amazing technique. I built the best bomber plane.
Is that a bird?
Yo! It is infinite firing. Ooh, that was good. We need to wait for it to reload. Yeah! Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. I'll go get it, bro. I'll get it. Special delivery. As you can see, sadly I cannot turn off the thruster. Yo! I'm not done trolling this. Watch this, watch this. I'm gonna go nuke that. What's that? Yo!
Help, I'm stuck. I can't move. You know, I'm just gonna leave.
What the heck? I'll help you. So this design allows for a one single time nuke with an infinite missile. As you can see, precision. That is not precision. Now let's make a tutorial on how to build this.
Wait, yo, can you hear me in game? Can you hear me in game?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be back. I'm gonna record my video.
I'm recording the video too. I'm recording one. It's gonna be a tutorial on how to make the thing, just without the other thing. It's literally 3 items and a weld gun. This is 2.0. Oof. Alright, 1 second. So you need a plank and a super thruster for the beginning, which is just the plank. This is technically an OG method because it was the earliest plane to exist. They have wings, but do not use them because they will just not work. Oh! Personally, I like mine on the left side. Yo, it's rolling. There we go. Now you have your very own. It just stuck with the thing. Let's try that again. Maybe put the barrel a little up front, because I think it's. Oh! Wait, that gives me an idea. Stop the rocket. Yeah, that did not count. Some good speed going.
Yo, wait, come here.
1 sec. I have the fighter jet.
Okay, yo, can you hear me?
Yeah.
So are you a
That
dev?
concludes this video.
You're recording a video.